Some people focuses on the mix-up chats and the gossip, while some focuses on the toxic and the ratchets. But there is a remarkable Jamaican filmmaker, Marion Myrie, blasting off like a rocket. She has a documentary on disabilities in Jamaica selected for the Paris Liftoff Film Festival. Haters can't even stop it. Now she needs your vote and support as she take it towards a more inclusive Jamaica. Tell them precisely, make you all we support this and make it greater.
Big up great amazement, butch banding and dancing. Take the word and pass.
Welcome back to my channel, Great Amaziah. I am Amaziah the Great. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now and hit that notification bell. Now, without further ado, let me dive into the story because Miss Marion Myrie, you really fascinates me greatly. Story like this certainly elates me. A documentary which shines a spotlight on the disabled community has been selected for 2 international film festivals. Towards a More Inclusive Jamaica, a 23-minute documentary that tells the story of everyday challenges of people with disabilities in Jamaica has been selected for the Paris Liftoff Film Festival and the Liftoff sessions at Pinewood Studios in the UK, both of which help new filmmakers to get a foot in the door of the industry. The documentary by Jamaican social activist and filmmaker Marion Myrie was born after she noticed the plight of the disabled and their need for greater advocacy on their behalf.
I am passionate about social justice, specifically as it pertains to the disability community in Jamaica. My passion has driven me to pursue research on media and disability culture in Jamaica, in fulfillment of a master's in communication for social and behavior change. This was followed by the creation of a documentary towards a more inclusive Jamaica, which is intended to be the crusader for the rights and benefits of persons with disabilities.
Myrie established a non-governmental NGO and sought the support of the diaspora to get the documentary completed. Lorraine Smith, CEO of Solutions for You, a New Jersey-based company which provides support services to individuals with disabilities. And Andrew Sharp, chairman of Authentic Caribbean Foundation, based in Boston. They both came on board with financial assistance to produce this documentary. I knew I had to extend support to Marion to get this project done because the plight of disabled persons is close to my heart. I have been working with persons with disabilities for many years, and as a Jamaican businesswoman and mental health professional in the diaspora, I wanted to extend my support to these issues facing disabled persons at home, Smith said. Other members of the diaspora reach out to assist, and the documentary is now among the lineup of films selected for the Paris Liftoff Film Festival and the Liftoff session in the UK. Winners will be selected through a judging panel and online voting.
Not only that, but we also have Audience Choice Award prizes, which is where 4 filmmakers will be joining us.
Online voting is currently underway for the Paris Liftoff Film Festival, and Myrie is hoping to attract the voting support of Jamaicans, home and within diaspora, as well as other people who have an interest in helping the disabled. Yo, all Jamaicans yard and abroad, jump on this and support the one. Myrie, what else do you have to say?
I am asking for your support to position towards a more inclusive Jamaica on a platform to do a world of good. Towards a More Inclusive Jamaica is not an ordinary documentary. It is a movement to not only write and sell a narrative about the disability community and then leave it, but to be the campaigner for meaningful change.
Well, thank you so very much, Miss Marion Myrie. I am Amaziah the Great, wishing you all the best with success on this documentary. The Liftoff sessions at Pinewood Studios start October 18 and ends November 1. So, like what I done telling you before, I'm wanting to support this one for sure. Tell them precisely, Great Way is the gateway.
a handful of winners that will be joining us in Paris next year.
Okay, viewers, fans, friends, my family, them, subscribers, everybody, thanks so much for watching. Please do feel absolutely free to drop us your comment and be kind to leave a feedback. Yeah, comment, like, share, and tell others about it. And also remember to hit the notification bell if you want to be updated on what's new. Talking about what's new, go and go check out Amazon, the great collections. We have whole heap of merchandise, I'm going with a bag of things. Enough t-shirt designs, don't tell them precisely. Available on Teespring. Enough people are talking about it, but go and go look for yourselves. Links will be in the description below. We have tabs for females, males, babies, cups, phone cases, etc. Mr. Go and go look now. Follow us here, the great collection on IG, and like us on Facebook. If you haven't watched My Name is Pam before, features my sister Quality. Please do go and go watch it and share it as it relates to domestic abuse against women and a woman's struggle through it to independence. Also remember to check out Amazon the great music on Amazon, Spotify, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. It's everywhere.